Welcome back, WordPress enthusiasts. Trevor here, and today we're tackling a topic that affects every website owner: speed. A slow website can drive visitors away. Conversion rates drop by an average of 4.5% with each additional second of load time. But don't worry, we've got the tips and tricks to make your WordPress site lightning fast. This video is meant to highlight the most important things to focus on. It's not a step-by-step guide, but it will point you in the right direction. So let's dive in. Number 1, choose a quality host. So select the right hosting plan. Your hosting provider plays a crucial role in your site speed. Choose a reputable host with solid performance. Consider managed WordPress hosting. These hosts are optimized specifically for WordPress, offering enhanced speed and also security. 2, use a content delivery network or CDN. Implement a CDN. A CDN distributes your site's files across a network of global servers, reducing the distance to your visitors and also speeding up load times. 3rd, optimize images. Compress images. Large images can slow down your site. Use tools like Smush or TinyPNG to compress images without losing quality. Also use proper image formats. Formats like WebP offer high quality with smaller file sizes. And 4, cache your content. Using caching plugins. Plugins like W3, Total Cache, or WP Super Cache can store a static version of your site, reducing server load. Browser caching. Enable browser caching to store temporary data on visitors' devices, speeding up subsequent visits. And 5, minimize and combine files. Minify CSS and JavaScript. Minification removes unnecessary characters from your code, reducing file size. Combine files. Combining smaller files into a single file reduces the number of HTTP requests, improving load times. 6, optimize database. Regularly clean your database. Use plugins like WP Optimize to clean up unnecessary data, such as revisions and also spam comments. 7, use a lightweight theme. Choose a well-coded theme. Bulky themes can slow down your site. Opt for a lightweight, well-coded theme that offers only the features that you need. 8, limit plugins. Evaluate your plugins. Too many plugins can bog down your site. Keep only essential plugins and delete or deactivate the rest. 9, enable gzip compression. Compress your site's files. Gzip compression reduces the size of your CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files, making them faster to download. And 10, use lazy loading. Implement lazy loading. Lazy loading only loads images and videos when they're visible on the screen, reducing initial load times. Speeding up your WordPress site doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these best practices, you can enhance your site's performance and provide a smooth experience for your visitors. Do you need help with your WordPress website? We offer monthly support services that include 24/7 speed and security monitoring, backups, upgrades, edits, and unlimited technical support. I'll put a link below for you to learn more. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and also subscribe for more WordPress insights. Have a question or tip to share? Drop a comment below. Let's make the web a faster place together. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.